Hi everybody, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, welcome to another video in another week. If you are already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in every week, guys. It really truly means a lot to me because I put a lot of work into these videos. If you're just joining me for the first time, thanks for tuning in. I'm Priscilla and I'm pretty new to YouTube, but I put videos out every single Wednesday. So I'm totally already in the Christmas spirit, even though today is technically November 30th. But our entire house is already decked out, ready to go for the holidays. Our tree is up, all the decor is put out. And I just thought it'd be really fun to do a vlog covering everything we do in December for the holidays. So like tonight, for example, we're gonna go to the San Antonio Riverwalk, which is so beautiful. It's already beautiful, but during the holidays, it's lit up with thousands of Christmas lights, and it truly is so breathtaking. So my son will be seeing it for the first time. He's 2, and I think he's really gonna like the lights. But even as a local, it's just something we do every single year. And I say this and I bring it up just because I'm so curious, if you could go anywhere for the holidays, where would you go? Comment below. So for me, my bucket list was to go to New York, and last year we actually did go to New York. We brought the baby, and it was really beautiful and really cold, but I wasn't vlogging yet, so it's really sad because I have like no video from that trip. But for me, that was a bucket list thing, and I asked the same question on Instagram, and a lot of people also said New York, and some people said Europe, which also sounds lovely. But I have to be honest, and I'm not just saying this because I'm from San Antonio, but I really think if you're ever looking for like somewhere family friendly or even romantic to go for the holidays, that's kind of like more affordable, I think San Antonio would be a really good option for you, just because there truly is so much to do. And you'll see on this vlog, hopefully I kind of give you some inspiration to visit my beautiful city, especially during the holidays. So I need to go get changed because I'm totally not wearing this. I bought a new red velvet dress during the Black Friday sales from Lulu's that I'm going to wear tonight. And hopefully get some really good pictures in for the gram. So in case you're curious though, this is what my house currently looks like for Christmas. Yay, so what do you guys think of all the decor in my house? Comment below, let me know what you think. And also, before I forget to ask, if you, as this video continues, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, see you downtown on the Riverwalk.
Debajo de esas dos cejas, qué bonitos ojos tienes. Ellos te quieren mirar, pero si tú no los dejas, pero si tú no los dejas. Love yourself, a merry little Christmas night.
So it is like the second week of December and I'm out shooting content for everything, like for the blog, for the channel, for Instagram, and I'm here with my sister-in-law, Priscilla,
Hey.
who always comes out with me. We shoot content, we also hang out. We are at Travis Park shooting here in San Antonio. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see all the lights around me, but this is like where our official tree for San Antonio is located, so it's right behind me there. We've been taking photos. So if you're coming to San Antonio, definitely come down to Travis Park. We moved the tree from Alamo Plaza, where the Alamo is, to Travis Park, and it's so beautiful here. There's also letters to Santa for the kids, so you can take photos, and it's just really cute. So we're gonna continue on to the next stop now.
Check it later. Bye.
And this is across the street from Travis Park. This is the St. Anthony Hotel. It's so beautiful during Christmas with all of the decor, the wreaths, and the lights in the window. But again, this is actually Travis Park. The whole thing is lit up. There's a tree back there. I definitely recommend coming out here, whether you are from San Antonio or not. It's super cute.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Yay!
We go.